Okay, anti-air again. Went down the slough or slow road or dual lane, car boots, however we want to call it. A couple of these things I did throw in. Yeah, that I paid 50p each for. Nice massive set of pliers there. Yeah, love them. Love them to bits. Paid 50p for that. Because like I said, everything was absolutely soaking. I think people just wanted to get rid of stuff, to be fair. I paid 50p each. These and this nice clamp. It's got a bit of a modification on it, but yeah, still usable, I guess. Nice set of scissors that need cleaning up. I paid £1 for that hammer. Like small hammers. £1 Yankee. Add that to my Evergreen collection. Yeah. And oh yeah, I paid £2 for that. No name on it, but it will probably look nice. The rest of it, everything you can see here, the guy wanted, including the box, the guy wanted £4. And I says, well, I'll give you 3. And he went, yeah, fair play. So I got it for £3. So let's have a quick route. Oh, yes, that'll clean up. Oh, yes, everything's soaked, man. Some Allen keys. What's this screwdriver? Oops. Yeah, cheap stuff. That's rip off Swiss Army knife. Gabrocco. Yeah. Oh, bottle opener. That always comes in useful. Raw plugs. They'll go in my van straight away. Oh, what are they? Nice. Oh, they're all right. I like them. Love stuff like that. Nice old screwdriver. Needs a bloody good clean. Another one. Big massive crack in it. What else we got in here? Pad saw. Some junk. Wow, I ain't seen one of these for ages. Jeez. Posi Stanley, yeah. I think the Posies were blue. The flat saw red. Oops, another footprint style. I have to clean that up a bit. I'll go for my bit collection. Yep, okay. What else we got? Oh, a couple of Spanish Dick. Oh, and I just store. Garrington's Jackdaw. Yeah, loving that. Yep. Oh, what the hell? Another King and the Broad Arrow. Loving that. Should be a date on there somewhere then. Perhaps not. Is there no spanner? Oh, bunch of spanners. Yeah, I'm loving it. That's West German, I think, old German. Yeah. What's on this side? Unusual set of pliers. British made. Yeah. Nutcrackers. Sometimes you find them in the toolbox. I don't know what that's doing there. Another set of pliers. And a couple of bike spinners. Oh, what's sliding under there? I don't know. Williams Super Slim. Never heard of it. Okay. Basket stuff. Another spanner. Yeah. Cool. Broad Arrow. Happy days. No clue what that is. And what else we got? Yeah, some little spanners. Punch. And over here, a drawer full of old Osram and Osram vehicle balls. Must be from the 60s, I guess. Authorised spares. Mazda. Side tower lights. 12 volt. There's a whole bunch of them. There's nothing left out of it. Miner's lamp. Wow. I've never even heard of that. Lumax balls for miner's lamps. Kidding me? Awesome. I'll see what that's worth and might be able to buy some more tools. Okay, and that's about it. Obviously, you know, I'm going to just start over the video, so I'm going to make some more of how I do things up, and now I'm learning off all the other guys, like, you know, Scout Crafter and all the other guys that he follows and follow him, and they're always mentioning. So yeah, we'll do some up and see what goes on. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.